Hi friends, today I'm talking about the CERT-In warning about new Microsoft Windows vulnerabilities that hit the news this week. What the issue is, what could happen, how to fix and update, and how to prevent future trouble. Let's start. What's the issue? Microsoft's August 2025 patch Tuesday shipped security fixes for 111 flaws across Windows, Office, SQL Server, Exchange, Azure, and more. One was a Kerberos zero-day called the bad successor technique that could help attackers jump to full Active Directory domain control under certain conditions. CERT-In issued a high-severity alert urging Windows users and admins to patch immediately. Practical side effects. The August Windows security updates briefly broke reset and recovery tools on some Windows 10 and 11 builds. Microsoft acknowledged and fixed this with an out-of-band update KB5066189. Separately, KB5063878 has reports of SSD storage drives disappearing under heavy transfers on some systems, still under investigation. What could happen if you ignore it? Attackers could use the patched bugs for remote code execution, privilege escalation, information disclosure, spoofing, or denial of service. The serious one being the Kerberos privilege escalation that, in the wrong environment, can lead to domain admin and complete network takeover. That's why CERT-In flagged it. Who is affected? Windows 10 and 11 various supported versions, Office, Exchange, SQL Server, Dynamics, System Center, Azure components, Microsoft browsers, and even some legacy Windows under ESU are in scope for the monthly fixes. Home users and IT admins both need to act. How to fix it right now? If your PC is normal with no recovery bug hit, install August security updates via Settings, Windows Update, check for updates, install, then restart. If your reset or recovery tools are failing, install the out-of-band update KB5066189. Go to Settings, Windows Update, check for updates, and install the offered OOB patch, or download KB5066189 from the Microsoft Update catalog, then install and restart. If you suspect the SSD storage issue after KB5063878, symptoms include drives vanishing during big 50 GB plus transfers, sometimes returning after reboot. Workarounds until Microsoft publishes formal guidance. Avoid huge transfers temporarily, split into smaller chunks, and ensure verified backups before copying. If your workflow is blocked and you can't wait, roll back the specific KB. Settings, Windows Update, Update history, uninstall updates, remove KB5063878, then restart. How to update safely for home users. First, backup using file history or an external image. Settings, Windows Update, check for updates, install. After restart, press Win+R WinVer to confirm build, and in update history ensure the latest August 2025 cumulative security updates are present. How to update safely for IT and admins. Roll out via WSUS or Intune rings, pilot to broad. Prioritize fixes touching Kerberos or AD, GDI+, Windows Graphics, MSMQ, Office or Preview pane vectors. Monitor SoC telemetry for Kerberos or NTLM anomalies. How to prevent future trouble. Patch promptly each patch Tuesday, second Tuesday monthly. Maintain offline tested backups and bare metal images. Use update rings with test groups first and pause if known issues appear on release health. For AD environments, review delegation hygiene so the bad successor chain isn't possible in your domain. Harden endpoints. Enable Smart Screen or Smart App Control, ASR rules if available, turn off Office macro execution from the internet, and keep browsers and plugins current. Comment your doubts and questions below. If you found this helpful, then hit the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more updates. Thank you.